risk myself here and show you guys Sean laying down some paint on the door jambs of the 04 Ford. Should have a mask on, but somebody took my filters from my mask. Could it be Sean? So those that are wondering what base coat, clear coat is, base coat would be your color. So Sean is spraying on the base coat right now, which is the color. And when it dries, it'll dry looking flat. Then you put your clear coat over top of that, and that's what makes it shiny. Now there is also paint called single stage. Single stage paint has the clear coat already in it, and you just spray it on and it stays shiny. At the end of the day, base coat, clear coat is what pretty much everything is nowadays, and it's a better paint because you can polish out runs, scratches, all that. Not that you can't on single stage, but it's way harder. So base coat is the way to go. So you can see there, he's done that. Done that side, looking real good. Come around here. And of course, this truck was so tall, we're doing it in the welding fabricating room because we can't get it in the body shop. Now see, if you slowly, see there, see where it's looking wet, but see how it's dry and looking like a flat black? That's how base coat comes out. Your pearls, your metallics, all your paints that got that in it, this doesn't have that in it, this is just straight black. But any paints that pearls or metallics, they come out the same. They come out flat looking like that until you put the clear coat on. Now we're not doing the full jam here, we're just doing this. That's all the customer wants us to do, just tidy this area up. So that's what's going on. Let me get the hell out of here now. Because I can't breathe. So that's what's going on. We'll get out and we'll go check out what's going on over here. Oh, we got so much going on in the shop these days, guys. I can't keep up with these videos. We're thinking about getting a GoPro, which is going to help you guys out even better because you'll see more stuff. So we'll go in here. Sean's coming out. I'm going in. Okay. So the doors, he was able to fit the doors in here. So you can kind of see there. See how it's shiny, but it's flashing off. And what I mean by flashing off is it's drying. It's going flatter. So that's what's going on. So when we get going on the clear here, we'll restart this tape. Okay, so I just explained to you about the base coat. Now, another question you might have while you're out there watching this is, how many coats of base coat do you put on? Well, if you're using good paint, which you should be, which most people do, average, some base coats will cover in 2 coats, but we always put 3 coats on. We put 3 coats of base. Now sometimes you'll buy some cheap, nasty paint, and it won't cover in 3 coats. And there's all different ways too. Like, there's so much stuff I can explain to you. Sometimes when you're doing a base coat, you have to put down a sealer, like a different color first, like a black or a red or a gray, just to make it uniformed, if you know what I'm saying. This is just black, this truck, so this is nice and easy. But we usually give it 3 coats of base and always, for sure, minimum 2 coats of clear. And as much as 3 coats. Usually 3 coats is calling it enough for us. A lot of body shops only do 2. Now if you're going to wet sand and polish, if you guys are going to wet sand and polish your vehicle, which is the ultimate in doing stuff, well then you would for sure give it way more clear coat, because you're going to be knocking some of the layers of clear off when you wet sand and polish. So anyway, Sean will be here in a second. He's going to get these jams a little clear and we'll take a look at that. Alright, so you can see here, Sean's just using a smaller touch-up gun too, because we don't need to use a huge big gun. You can see, if you see the size of the spray gun he's using there, it's just a little touch-up gun. And of course, I can only film this for so long for you guys, because I don't have a mask to wear and it just stinks in here. But you can see, look at how the clear, look at that. You can see how the paint is like a flat down there, and now the clear is going on. It's just going to stay like that. It's going to dry up beautiful. There's all sorts of paint guns you can get out there. You can spend lots of money on paint guns. Our touch-up gun's not an expensive gun. It's probably, I don't know, 150, maybe 180 bucks. It's not real expensive. You don't really need a real expensive touch-up gun. I mean, you only use it for small little areas, right? Interior pieces, dashes, things like this, like Sean's doing. He's only doing a little bit on these chams, so why you have the big gun? We do have big guns, obviously, for the larger jobs. Look at that. There we go. Okay, well, I'm going to get the hell out of here. We're going to let him do what he's doing. We'll come back to this in a second because I can't breathe no more, so that's it. And here we go, guys. Here is the finished product. Look at the shine on that. No runs, no dust, no dirt. Looks great. There you go. Now on the door jambs, we never get too carried away. So as we said to you, all we did on the door jamb, seeing how this was black, was we only gave it 2 coats of base and we gave it 2 coats of clear. That was good enough. Normally on the outside of the vehicle, we'll give it 3 coats of base and we'll give it 3 coats of clear. But there we are. Jambs are done. So, thanks for watching. Oh, getting that car closer. Remember, it's always a good time at Old Time. Check us out. Check us out on Facebook, Old Time Garage. I'm putting small little videos up there. Instagram, it's a hard one, maybe not. Rick's_Old Time Garage. And there's stuff up there. And that's about all I can tell you. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. T-shirts are on the way. See you later.